Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Friday, and we have not recorded a video since last Friday. I don't know. It's been almost a week or over a week. I can't even remember. We've had such a crazy week this week. The kids have been on fall break. Our school district has breaks for the fall, so they're off school for 2 weeks, but our youngest has this, they're in the gifted program, and Sai has been going to do activities every single day. He went to the zoo on Monday. He went to like the Pioneer Museum. Right now he's at Sky Zone. So we've just been doing stuff all day. Today's actually the first day this week that we're both kind of in the same area and actually able to record. So that's what we're gonna do today. Kathy's got quite a few sales to go through. Before we get to the sales that we're gonna be packing up today, we did have some viewer sales that we're gonna thank you guys for that have happened that we haven't been able to record. So let's turn it over to Kathy and see what we've got going out, I guess, soon.
So I did want to just thank Wanda, Deb, Jennifer, O'Dallas, and Zach. I feel like there's probably more that didn't like maybe send a message with their purchase over the weekend. The long weekend, we had a lot of sales going out.
Yes.
And I was trying hard. I even like printed my labels as if we were going to do a video, and it just didn't work out. I didn't want to not ship because it had already been a long weekend. So anyways, I do want you guys...
I don't know what that was. Oh, you know what that was?
Oh, that was List Perfectly.
List Perfectly, yes. I'll take... I was not expecting that, but List Perfectly has a new feature that they're trying out, and it does that whenever you have a sale on... I think it's on 3 platforms. I'll put a link, or I'll put something down below to show you what it's all about. I mentioned it in our Discord server, just so happens. So, but what they're doing is I think this is the very beginning of automatic delisting. I think they're trying to get this feature figured out, and it's basically sensing anytime you have a sale on eBay, Mercari, or Poshmark, and that's what that was. And it's actually pretty cool. You just go in there, click a button, it goes right to the right to the List Perfectly listing, and then you could delist it from there. So it's down to just 1 or 2 clicks to be able to delist. So that's exciting. I wasn't expecting that. I just wanted to let you guys know what that was.
Yeah. I was like, is that... Because I just had an eBay sale actually before we started printing that I need to print. It's not in this pile yet. So I was like, is that another sale already? So.
And that was a different cha-ching that we're not that familiar with.
Yeah. So, anyways, got a good amount of sales going out today. These are some little toddler Merrell snow boots. Bought for $4, accepted a $20 offer on Poshmark. That's our son. Bless you, buddy. Yeah, so I think these have been listed a while. They're like an infant size 5, so like that size just seems like a hard sell on a lot of shoes. Yeah. That aren't like soft sole ones. Alright, so we'll put that in a regional A box. Okay, BI. Race. This Peak Kids Nikola Tesla shirt. This was my son's. I think I bought it like half off from Peak, so probably $18 or something. And I sold it for $18.85 plus shipping on eBay.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm making back most of my money there. Pull out this whole thing. Shipping Hip did release their holiday mailers yesterday, I believe. Oh, nice. I haven't been on really Instagram or anything to like... you know, put a code or put anything, but we do have a code in the description.
A link and a code.
Yeah, Christmas, holiday. They're not like too Christmassy or anything like that. They're just like more like
winter themed.
Yeah, winter trees. I think one of them says like season's greetings. So I guess that's. Anyways, so check those out if you're in need of mailers. All right, I'm just still trying to get through all these Halloween ones in the next couple weeks. These Asics wrestling shoes, bought for $9.99, sold for $31 with discount shipping on Poshmark. Those will probably do a medium flat rate box. Okay, hanging on glue. Ooh. Well, this is the item I was about to pull, but I do remember we sold this. So let's pull this out now. when I get to the label, we'll show it. This is, however you say that. I think it's like in Austria. Yeah, made in Austria.
I'm not even going to attempt it.
I'm not going to say it, but anyways, that's the brand. I bought this because I think it's 100% wool. I've sold the brand in the past, anywhere from like $40 to $60. So I took a chance at $15, and it sold. It did take a while, but it sold for $42, $47 plus ship. So around a $20 profit. Not too bad.
Nice.
To keep it under 2 pounds, I am just shipping this out in a mailer. So we'll just double bag it in a mailer. BU. I just listed this a couple days ago. One of my son's Columbia PFGs, and he actually never wore it. I don't know. Chris likes these shirts, so I was like, oh, it'll be cute if they both wear it, but I don't like it on my kid, I guess. So, anyways, he never wore it. I paid $9 for the shirt, but I sold it for $12 plus shipping. I think it was on eBay, so at least making my $9 back on that.
You don't like your son looking like a almost 40-year-old man?
No. BM. These are some Levi's, just men's jeans. Got these at the bin, so I have $1.97 into them and sold them for $10.48 plus shipping. So they sat a while, and they, yeah, sold in like our 50% off sale. Okay, here we go. Padded flat rates. All right, we got another viewer sale. Do we already have a viewer sale? Well, this is a viewer sale. Maybe I was just thinking in the beginning where we were thinking of the viewers. Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
So this is going out to Heather. She bought 3 items. First up was this John Deere hat. I didn't write down how much I had into each item, but I just wrote the 3 together. So
that's a total, yeah.
CR Skechers. These look so cozy to me. I almost kept them. Just like a nice slip-on mule. Could be like an indoor slipper or an outdoor, I feel like. And then J. Men's Under Armour sneakers. So Heather said she wanted to just, well, she bought from us recently as well, but she wanted to buy her husband something because she bought herself something last time, but also just, again, thanking us for the spreadsheet.
Yeah. Heather, thank you so much for that support. Very much. We appreciate it.
I guess I didn't say the price. So $87.40 for the bundle, and I had about $26.09 into the 3 items. So thank you so much. We're going to do a large mailing box on that.
We got the Reese guy here. Oh.
All right. BZ.
I always think of those shoes, the Beezies.
Yeah.
Whenever you say BZ. I wonder why that is. Okay.
Doesn't, because it sounds exactly the same, maybe.
Nah, that's not it.
No? All right. This was just a regular sale, but I've been doing like my inventory a little bit this week. Just like going box by box through the spreadsheet and making sure everything's listed where it should be and that it's cross-posted and everything. So these I had found in the spreadsheet, but they weren't listed at all. They were bagged up, they were photographed. I had a draft. I just never put them live, I guess. Oh. So I listed them and they sold really fast.
Sweet.
So yeah, I had paid $5.99 for them and they sold for $35 plus shipping in probably a day or 2.
Hey.
So
it almost makes it worth doing an inventory.
It does. I mean, honestly, I think I've sold a couple things since I've done that.
Yeah.
And I've just been refreshing them, you know, dropping some prices, doing different stuff to get older things moving. And yeah, a lot of times it just really takes the cross-posting. Like, if it's been on eBay only for a long time and nobody wanted it, try Mercari, try Poshmark. So, all right, BD way over here. I'm gonna get your nose, Reese. I'm gonna get you.
Reese got to lay on the couch last night, which we don't really let him on the couch much, but
we watched Spider-Man.
Yeah, we had the first family movie night, and that we've had in a long time.
Still very well. So.
Yeah.
We actually took them to a real movie like a week ago, or sometime during this last week.
Yeah.
And yeah, the little one just...
He's not quite ready, yeah.
But he likes to eat popcorn and just hang out, so... I sold these Brooks men's insoles. I was gonna save these for like if I ever found a pair with no insoles, which I do sometimes find that. But these were like a size men's 8.5 with a 4E. So the chances of me actually finding that size, missing the insoles, it just was probably very slim. So I was like, let me just check if they're worth anything alone. And they were worth $10 to $15. And I paid 49 cents for them. So
nice.
I listed them up. They sold for $12.88 plus shipping after maybe about a month.
Yeah.
So not too bad. The mailer. Okay. I've actually sold many just various insoles of shoes. I know Chris buys his self.
Yeah, insoles. I need some arch support.
Yeah, so like if you ever find them, especially like new.
Yeah.
Those are basically new. They just don't have packaging, but yeah, they sell pretty well. Sold these Salomon men's shoes for 40 plus ship on Mercari, and I bought those for $14.99. I really like the brand Salomon, so sells pretty well. And those are going to FedEx, so we'll just do a brown box. Okay, this is the
blankie
sale of the day.
Sale of the probably more than the day, the month. Well, the last quarter.
Year maybe. I don't know. I don't have many sales in this price range. Yeah. So this is going out to our viewer Zach, who supports us like every week, almost every day recently. So Zach, thank you so much. I'm a little sad because I did want to keep it, and I tried it in various places in our home, and we don't have a spot for it. So I'm glad it's going to you.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's for your mom or what, but it's beautiful. It's just a really nice quilt.
Handmade.
Handmade, embroidered on most of the things.
Yeah.
Flowers, birds.
Like amazing quality condition.
Like I didn't find any flaws really on it when I was looking it over. It does have like this.
I like the
Minky, but like a Sherpa or something.
Yeah.
So, anyways, really awesome quilt.
Super sad we couldn't make it work for us, but super happy and excited that you picked it up, Zach.
I was thinking if we had a guest room, it'd be just like a nice, let's lay it on top. But I did get this from the bins. I'm considering it no cost of goods because I didn't type it in because I was going to keep it. And Zach bought it for $199.95 plus shipping.
Wow.
So thank you so much, Zach.
So awesome, Zach. Thank you so much. We can't thank you enough.
Put so much time into that.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. I wish I had that kind of patience. I can't remember what I think I was just going to do one of these boxes with it. But if for some reason it doesn't fit, we could do it.
Like a large mailing box.
All right. So box A. So it's some kid Converse. These were my son's. I did originally buy them from Goodwill for $10.99. I think you might have worn them once. And I sold them on Kitizen for $26.10 with free shipping, and then the shipping label cost $6.50. So around $19-20 plus shipping if you want to think of it that way.
Okay.
So made my money back. He got to wear them. All is well. All right, so DH. I just get really happy when I sell stuff for the amount or close to that I bought it for ourselves.
You knew.
You knew that I was coming in. All right, so these Clark's Chukka boots. I bought these for $9.99 and accepted a $40 offer on Poshmark. Those actually sold on eBay probably a few weeks ago, and the buyer never paid, so finally got them relisted, and they sold. I wish I had maybe, I don't know, I need to check what boxes we have in there, because I'd rather do like a regional B or a large flat rate on those. Okay, AH. Sold some Rockies.
Nice.
Yeah. These ones I paid a little up for. I bought them off Kitizen for $25 with shipping, or not shipping, they're free ship, but with tax, $26.81 is what I had all into them. But I accepted a $70 offer on Posh, so I think doubled my money, just close to a $30 profit on those.
Okay.
Not too bad. Do a medium flat rate. Sold some books.
Yeah, selling everything.
I know, it was just random. I feel like I haven't, yeah, like he said, we were so busy this week. I didn't even really list much. I might have listed 20 items like the whole week.
Yeah.
Which I try to list 100 at least, so it's not great. But yeah, I was doing the inventory, which I do think has helped move some stuff out. So
right.
Anyways, these books sold. These I just got listed. They were in my drafts forever for no reason, and they sold in just a couple days. They're just Max Lucado books. I don't know.
Yeah.
Got them for free, and I just listed them. They sold on Posh for $12 with discount shipping. So I'm making like $7 something.
Cool.
And I pay nothing, so very cool.
Heard good things about Max Lucado.
Yeah, you have a lot of books, huh?
Yeah. I think he's one of those like, self-help or like motivational. Those don't seem like the
Bible. I feel like he like makes Bible study books or something.
Is it Bible study? Okay.
I don't know. I just feel like he has so many.
I feel like I've heard of him on like Dave Ramsey and
how
stuff.
How have you wrote this many books? I don't know. If you guys know, let us know.
Yeah.
I don't read a whole lot anymore. I kind of want to, but I'm not patient.
As a
I've been
kid,
trying to listen to audiobooks.
Right. As a kid, I hated reading, but as an adult, I love listening to audiobooks. So I still hate reading. There weren't many audiobooks when I was a kid, you know?
Yeah. All right. Lastly, these Noble sneakers bought for $9.99, accepted $55 on Posh. They did sit a little bit. They had some nice dirt spots and whatnot, but I'm very happy with that sale.
Awesome.
So not bad. This was only one day worth. We still shipped every other day, even though we didn't get to do any videos.
You think it's Q4?
I don't know, man. Like, I don't... Most of this is used items, so...
Yeah, that's true. Don't know what's going on. We're probably going to have to divide and conquer, right? Because I got to go pick up Cy.
Yeah, so I'll bag these. I'll print that last label by the time we get back.
We'll check back in after I get back, but I got to go pick up Cy from the trampoline place. So we'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys. Kathy got everything all packed up, boxed up, ready to go. I got Cy from the trampoline park, and... What, you had a few more sales come through, it looks like.
Now.
Crazy good day of sales.
I know.
What did you do while I was gone, Reed? Huh?
Okay. These are some Merrill, just like a slip-on mule. I bought for $9.99, sold for $25 on Posh. That was an offer I accepted, so about doubling my money there. Medium. That was a large flat rate. To a medium flat rate. Why? These last two are just kind of in the 50% off sale. So we redo our sale the 15th and the 1st. So like, I woke up to all these sales this morning. I was like, oh, I wonder why like eBay popped off, but it was probably
we think it's because the sale is coming to an end,
So they'll see like a timer that's like 1 day left or something.
Right.
So. Anyways, it's working out. But yeah, this only sold for, it's the brand Land's End. I've had this for years. I tried to sell it, you know, to Plato's Closet, JBF, here for a while. Took it out of inventory, put it back in. Finally sold for $4.44 plus shipping. So, it was basically a free item to me, but yeah, I'm making like $3.50 or $4.
Profit's better than getting rid of it, I guess.
Yeah, it's true. We'll do Ghost Mailer, and then that last sale is AC. Don't step on me.
I'm there. He's a good boy.
These little baby Seakai runs are just headed to Woodland Park, Colorado. I bought these at Once Upon a Child for $2.80 and sold them for $9.96 plus shipping. So another 50% off item.
Yeah. I was just there at Woodland Park on Tuesday.
with jealous.
With Connor. Yeah.
I was up here, I think, sourcing or something.
Yeah.
That's another reason we didn't really do videos like last week. I kind of worked on everything we had here, which is mostly our personal items, which I did get a lot listed. But then I was like, I don't have anything to like list this week, so I've been kind of trying to source a little. I went to the bins. I shared a little in my stories.
Yeah, you got a bins haul here, which we're probably, are we going to try to make a video on that? It's not a lot.
Half of it, because I already threw half of it down to get washed. Yeah. Some of it.
So that's pretty much it for today. We do have to get going. It is Friday, and we have been making sure to make Fridays our date nights. So we have a lot of stuff to do before we can head off to date night. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for continuing to watch our videos, as we have been not able to put videos out lately. Our views have been holding fairly steady. They haven't dipped really much. And I do think that's a lot of you guys, a lot of our regular viewers going back and watching some older videos. And that really does mean a lot to us. We do appreciate that support. So guys, thanks again. We will see you guys next time, which is not going to be too long. So we'll be back in a couple days.